In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports and dashboards in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know how to turn your CRM data into clear, visual insights you can share with your team. Start by heading to Analytics in the left navigation. Depending on your setup, it might also be labeled Analytics or Reports. This is your central hub for exploring data across modules like leads, deals, contacts, and activities. Once you're there, click New Report to begin building from scratch. Next, choose a category. This determines which data source your report will use. Pick Leads. If you're analyzing lead generation, deals for pipeline and revenue, contacts for people-based insights, or activities for calls, emails, and tasks. Choosing the right category at the start saves time and ensures your filters and fields make sense for the question you're answering. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Then set the visibility. If you're still experimenting or it's just for your personal workflow, keep it visible to only you. If others will need it, choose a shared option so teammates can view and use the same source of truth. A quick tip: include the purpose and time frame in your name, like Q1 pipeline by stage, to make it immediately recognizable. Now define your filters or conditions to control exactly what appears in the report. You can narrow by date range, such as this month or last quarter, by stage to focus on key parts of the pipeline, and by owner to isolate specific reps or teams. Filters are where your report becomes meaningful. Think of them as the rules that keep your results clean and relevant. If your data set is large, start broad, preview the results, and then tighten your conditions until the output matches your intent. If you want a visual summary, add a chart. Choose a bar chart for comparisons between owners or stages, a line chart for trends over time, a pie chart for proportions by source or segment, or a funnel to see conversion through your pipeline. Match the chart to the story you need to tell. For example, a funnel makes it obvious where deals drop off, while a line chart quickly reveals seasonality or momentum. When you're satisfied, save your report. Saving preserves the logic, filters, and visuals so you can revisit, refine, and share as needed. These saved reports are also the building blocks you'll reference when assembling dashboards, helping you bring multiple insights together in one view. That's it. Your Freshsales report is ready to use and ready to inform better decisions.